How to fix WhatsApp not sending message. Hi everybody. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix WhatsApp not sending message. So in order to fix this out, you want to make sure to go to settings on your device first of all. Make sure to go ahead and check whether you're connected to a stable internet or not. You could here go ahead and switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data as well. That can also help you out. In some cases, you could also go and open up apps, go to WhatsApp and make sure to clear cache and storage. That might also be able to help you out fix. Now, other than that, you can also go ahead and hold on to your side button and then restart the device. That can also help you out. Next, you could also go ahead and try updating the app. So if you want to update the app, you just want to make sure to go ahead and tap onto the search bar, type in WhatsApp on the search, and you can just go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version, and that should definitely help you out. You could also go ahead and ensure your phone has sufficient storage. So you just want to make sure to go to settings on your device. There you want to make sure to go to storage, and you just want to make sure to look for any sort of storage. You could simply go ahead and disable, or you could simply go ahead and delete that as well. And if that's not the case, if you are using any sort of VPN or any sort of proxies, you might also want to disable that, as it might cause an issue as well. So with that, we've completed that step. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.